Hey, what's up guys? Pav here from All SEO Basics. As you guys can see, we are here from All SEO Basics, and today guys, I will be showing you how to basically check your Google page speed insights in your browser as well as online, and how to use it correctly. So basically that's what I'm going to be showing you. So as you guys can see here on the screen, we have Google, we have our website, and we're just going to copy this URL, Control C to copy that, and going to head over to Google PageSpeed Insights, and we're going to click on Analyze, and this is going to just run the analyzation and give us a round figure of what we're expecting here, or as an overall ranking figure for like the Web Core Vitals, the Speed Load, CLS, and all the other ones like the cumulative layout shift. And we've got 88 on mobile, and desktop is giving us 99. Now this is more of like what the Google bot has sent and what the Google has kind of found out. Don't forget that this is just like the main kind of factor, but also Google uses the ranks of the actual browser itself, the Google Chrome browser. So in Google Chrome browser, if we head over to Google Chrome, which is what we're using here, if we go over here on the All SEO Basics, I'm just going to hold Control and just zoom out a bit, or you can just click on here at the top. I'm going to zoom out to about 50%. And then on here, I'm just going to press F12. Now, if you guys go on the side here, they've removed it. You was able to click on it. If you just press F12 on your keyboard, so F12 right here, you will see that you will get this come up. Are we in Google Chrome? No, we're not. That's why. So let's head over to Google Chrome. Right. So make sure you're in Google Chrome, because it won't work in Firefox. Now press F12. So we zoomed out 50%, just like that, and press F12. And what this will do is bring out basically a console like this. And this is the ads. They always throw up errors. Google needs to fix that, by the way. So when we head over here, you will just see our performance. You can record your performance and track the errors. So we're going to look at that as well. But first of all, we're going to look at the speed. So on the side here, you click on the side on these two arrows, and you click on Lighthouse. Boom. And this will load this up. Now you have two buttons. You can test out the navigation, a time span, or a snapshot. The best way is the navigation, which is the default, and you just want to do a test for mobile and desktop. So you're going to select mobile and analyze page load. And this is going to give you an exact overview of your computer and your website and what people around your area, so if you live in UK or US, what everyone is kind of experiencing from the actual browser. So not the Google bot, but you're experiencing. And Google takes this into consideration as well. And as you guys can see, these are the figures that we've got here on the side. And this is for the mobile. So they're a bit different towards the ones we've got on the actual website. This is coming from Lighthouse itself, from the Google Chrome. So you guys can see the internet connection has a role in it. I mean, if my internet was slow, that would have come up slow. So that's what you got to take into the consideration, that these figures will change. So you need to make sure that your website is optimized for, not the slowest connection, but for at least, like a 3G or 4G kind of network, like on a mobile phone. So that's that. You just click on the X here, and you can run that again, press F12, and you can run it for desktop as well, just by selecting desktop. And this will run it again for desktop, just like that. And just let it load. There we go. So now it's loaded. And as you guys can see, we're pretty much hitting 100% on everything. I mean, this is amazing. And basically we can just check this, it will be very different towards sometimes you will see that your Google page insights is so much better than the ones you're getting on the Google Chrome, or the other way around. Now what you can do is you can actually check this, where the errors are coming from. Now this is not the best example to find errors, but let me see if I can find website that I'm still working on, haven't optimized. One website I'm working on, plugforproducers.com. So music production affiliate website that I'm working on. So this is a project that I'm working on as an affiliate website, and I haven't even optimized it yet. So I'm gonna press F12 on here, and I'm gonna zoom out to get about 50% here. Okay, and I'm gonna zoom in here to get full. Now I'm gonna run it again on a desktop, see what we're hitting. I haven't optimized it. Actually, I am using the A2 server to optimize this. Now what I'm gonna get into is I'm going to show you how you actually use the browser to find issues and stuff with your website. So this is loading, and we can see the performance is 71. So there might be something, there's a cumulative shift. Now something is shifting, something is moving. You would have no idea how you can actually find out, right? Well, here using a browser you can. What you do, guys, is you actually go on to something called performance. And what you're going to do is you're going to come out, you're going to press on record, and then press F5 to refresh the page. This refreshes the page and records everything that's happening, and then you press stop. And this is recorded the whole profile of your website loading, so you can now click on this and drag it out. And now you can actually click on here and load through your website just using the extension. And at the bottom here you will see this is a layout shift. And you can see what the layout shift is. So if we make this bigger and we hover over the layout shift, it will actually show us where the layout shift is happening. And the layout shift is this. Look, when I hover over it, it's this div container here that's shifting. So what I will need to do is go in there and reprogram that. And you guys, you can really, check your website just by using this extension, the performance extension here in the browser. How cool is that? So this is just a quick add-on I wanted to show you guys on how to improve. You get the LLC, the LLP, all the Google core web vitals, which is here. You can disable the screenshot and just enable the web core vitals just by clicking on this. And this will show you the web vitals, the FBC. This is where the layout shift is happening. The LCP, these are green. These are good. But the layout shift needs work. And if I just click on that and I'll go below, I can see the layout shift is here. This is the bad experience that needs working. There's some kind of image here at the top as well over here that I need to look at. And it tells me what div it is. So I can actually go onto that div and I can maybe prevent it from loading until the whole page is loaded. Or I can just fix that in the CSS, remove it completely. But that is pretty much how we sort it. So guys, this is just a quick add-on that I wanted to show you. This is how you use Google Lighthouse in the Google Chrome extension using F12. You can check the web core vitals and you can check for mobile and desktop, and you can also use the performance button with the record. Just make sure when you press record you press F5 to refresh the page so you can actually record the website loading, because if you just press record and stop, you're not gonna record any action. So you need to make sure you refresh the page. Apart from that, this is Spav from All SEO Basics. Make sure you guys hit the like, subscribe. See you again soon. Peace. Ciao.